Again.
Get one thing. Mama, before God that man, if I don't kill that your daughter, if I don't kill that cursed child of yours today, let my enemies die.
What are you even saying? Can you tell me what she did? Calm down and tell me what happened now.
Hey! What happened? Mama, it is your demonic daughter's God for me. She had the guts. I mean the effrontery. Tagi the guts were immediately I won't die. Seduce my man here in this house. She's not afraid of me.
But you know she cannot do a thing like that. How can you say this against your sister? How?
So you are doubting me?
It's not true now.
Mama, you are doubting me. I've always known that you support evil. No, it is clear to me now that this is nothing but family war. 2 against 1. Not your right now. Yes, not your The same way you doubted it was how I doubted it. Until I went to confront these idiots. To my greatest shock, she could not even deny it. Your daughter accepted. Yes.
Ifeyinwa, allow me ask her so I'll know what to believe. Because what you're saying now, I can't believe it. You know she cannot do it now.
Yeah, even after I told you that she confessed to me that she did it. Mama.
She's your sister. She's your blood. Mama, she can't do it.
She's not my blood. As a matter of fact, you need to even do DNA. You're not saying the truth. Because why are you supporting her?
I'll do what?
No, why are you always supporting her? You can make DNA. You can make DNA. It has got you to that point. It has got you to that point. Tell me why you are supporting her.
So you want to, because of a man, not kill your sister?
I will kill her. Go get ready. To go take her skirts. If she does not kill me, I will kill her. But I tell you that me go kill her. I will be the one to bury her.
Nobody will kill anybody in this house.
If I see her now, that you are saying this is because I have not set my eyes on her. Once I set my eyes on her, I will use knife, to get down her chest. Took it there. I don't know the knife. Just get ready.
She is your blood. One now forget.
Okay. My blood will not go after my man. No it and no peace.
Try and find out. I'm sure she didn't do this.
Okay, I got
She did not do this thing. Why you asked her? Did she say anything?
She will go and defend herself before the ancestors. You
will not kill anybody in this house.
Okay.
And I know she did not do it.
Okay.
You can't kill because of a man now.
We better dig. I get Guzinini. You are telling me now that we should dig 3 graves. So no wahala. Today is today. I think I need to do a DNA.
Huh?
Yes.
No la.
Yes. You should tell me.
Tell
me.
What kind of nonsense is this?
Whatever she promised you, you will never get it.
Sorry, Juan. I never want to do this, but the pressure is too much on me.
What pressure are you talking about? Sex?
You will never get it from her. And if at all you do, she will use it against you for the rest of your life.
How sure are you about this?
You want to test your luck? Kill me. Go ahead and kill me.
Never. I will not do such a thing.
Now take yourself out of this place before I strike you dead. All I see is danger hovering around you.
Please, Nukwan, you must not tell anybody about this.
Get out. Get out!
I have to tell him.
You do no such thing.
Your Highness. He deserved to know what was said about his mother. He deserved to know.
And you think telling him that will make him have peace of mind and tranquility? You think so?
Well, I didn't say that. But I owe him that I have to be honest with him.
You lie.
He has to know that his mother has been marked for death.
You lie. You lie here. Nobody is marked for death. That is not going to happen. So why do you want to tell him? Why?
What if it happens? What if? Do you think I've been sleeping since this prophecy was made? Do you? I have to be ready and prepare for the worst.
My dear, nobody's dying here. I am sending you and my son to London this weekend. At least you have peace of mind and have all these things behind you. Okay? I think it's a wonderful offer.
What kind of thing is this? How could you do a thing like this? What is wrong with you? What did you do? Get here, Wazi.
Mama, I am sorry. Hey, I've been telling you sorry all this while. I'm sorry.
Sorry for what? So you want to tell me among all the men in this community, you didn't see another man to seduce? It's only that of your sister. How could you? I'm disappointed in you. How can you seduce your sister's man?
I'm sorry. I don't even know what came over me. I'm sorry.
You're lying. I know you very well. I know you're lying. Amam need you up to something. You're up to something. Just make up your mind and tell me the truth. What are you up to? You, Ujunwa seduce a man. You know he's a lie now. What are you up to?
Well, Mama, if you must know, I had to disrupt the relationship my sister had with Obiora. I wanted to cut it off.
Hey! I said it. I knew you're up to something. But this was stupid now. Okay, you want to cut it. And this act you played now is the most stupid thing that any human being can do. How could you do a thing like that? Do you know that you ended up creating a big enmity between you and your sister? Why? What were you trying to separate them? Tell me why now.
Mama, have you forgotten about the vision? His death is near. He's very close.
Hi, Chineke. And you thought doing this will separate them? Maybe that you thought that this is the best approach? Yes, you had a good intention. But playing it this way was the worst thing you did. Because you created an enmity between you and your sister. Now, she doesn't want to see you. If she sees you now, maybe you people will fight. You did the right thing at the wrong time now. Do you know how your sister sees you now?
I'm sorry, Mama.
It's not for me. Oh. Go and apologize to your sister. Oh. Better go there, kneel down and apologize to her. Stop trying to do things by yourself now. Or do you know, Emma? The intention is good, but the action is wrong now.
I'm sorry.
Please, in the name of God, I am very, very sorry. I came to apologize on behalf of my sister over what my sister did the other time. I swear to God, like, I am shocked. I never expected such behavior from her. I'm really sorry. Please, find a place in your heart to forgive me. Forgive us, please. In the name of God, I'm begging you, please. Please.
Babe, I remember you told me your sister has been acting weird. You told me about it. And I also noticed that. I did. But one thing that is confusing me is you told me everything was okay.
That was because I really do not know what her problem is really. Babe. Honest to God, I don't know. I have no idea. You know, there's something I'm sure about this, my sister. I think she's a sadist. She just hates it when something good is coming my way. She will just look for a way to spoil it. Please. Please. Forgive.
Babe, I think you know something. There is something you're not telling me. Yes, there is something you're hiding away from me. You're keeping away from me.
Oh, no.
I'm 100% sure this weirdness of your sister, it's not a thing of today. I'm sure she has not been like this before. This whole thing just came up.
Babe, it's irrelevant. There's no need. Seriously, there's no need talking about it.
Babe, listen. If you ain't gonna tell me the truth, I'm going to put an end to this relationship.
No, babe, please. It hasn't gotten to... Please.
I'm going to end it here, and you're going to walk out of my life just like that.
Please.
Then tell me what... I demand to know the truth.
Oh my God, she said something I really do not believe in. You know, one of those her weird behaviors and talks, you know. It's not important. That's why I'm not talking about it. I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to give her that's relevant.
What did she say? I demand to know the truth. Tell me. Spill. What did she say?
Please, it's not important. Please.
Ify, I want to hear it. What did she say? Speak!
It has to from that first day she saw you. She said that...
What did she say?
That you will die soon.
No matter how you hate, do not hate an innocent.
Hey, Ify, did you meet him at home? So what did he say?
I told him what my sister said, that he would die.
Hey! You did what?
Mama, I regret it now.
How could you have told him that?
Mama, I didn't know when he came out of me.
Hey! God.
Mama.
God, oh.
Mama, let me tell you.
Then what did he do?
He asked me to leave his house. I think I've lost him. Mama, I messed up, I know. I messed up, no.
Hey!
I don't know what came over me. I messed up, Mama.
It's okay. You have to have faith at this point. I believe he will come around. It's not easy to digest that. Let him go and walk around. I believe he will come around at the right time. Oh, what did you even say it in the first one?
No, Mama. If I tell you, I know.
It's okay. It's okay.
I didn't know when I said it.
It's okay. He will come around. Calm down. He will come around. Give him time. Let him go around and think about it. You know? Don't lose hope.
That's the dumbest thing you've done since I've known you. What are you thinking? How can you sell yourself so cheap to him?
I'm sorry. I wasn't really thinking straight. I just thought maybe if I could separate them, you know, some certain things would be averted.
Is that how you reason? You know your sister will never forgive you for this. Come on, if you talked to me about this, I would have suggested you don't do that. Honestly, I'm disappointed.
Do you know what it feels like to see a vision about someone and yet you can't do anything about it? Do you?
So the best solution is to seduce your brother-in-law to be.
I'm sorry. I thought separating both of them, that the vision would be averted. I don't know what came into me.
You know what? Just go home and sort out things with your sister. Though she's mad at you right now for what you did, but you owe her an apology.
I'm sorry.
You better be sorry.
Others see her as wicked. Ooh. She's weak.
Alpha, Frank, has it been done?
Yes.
Wait, you mean you've killed Ujunwa, the great seer of our land?
I snuffed out life out of her before coming.
Oh my goodness! Now you're talking to me. Are you serious? Oh my goodness. Thank you. Thank you. Now I have gotten my revenge for what she did to my brother. Yes. Now you're talking. Now you're talking. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, Cody. Oh.
No problem. Come. Where are you going to? Remember we had an agreement that after I'm done with it, that you... Remember what you promised me?
Which promise? Matanwoke, do I know you now? I'm a Mwonyib.
Really?
Yes. Do I know you? Which one is let's talk about ourselves? What is there to talk about you? Who are you?
Don't joke with me. You know the stuff I'm made of. Don't you dare.
Exactly. You don't know me. Oluchi is always ahead of you. Yes, I know you will come up with this nonsense, stupid thing. Try me. Try me and watch me go to Igwe and tell him. You remember now how you killed your sister? Ibo mother. What I want to go. You did not see me, I did not see her.
No problem. No problem, no problem. I get one now, no wahala.
I said you're not going to tell him anything about it.
And I said, I'm going to tell him about it.
I am the man of this house. Not just that, I'm just the king of this kingdom. You have to obey me.
He's my son. He deserves to know. I owe him that. He deserves to know what was said about his mother.
And what was said about your mother?
Nothing, son.
I need to know.
Nothing. Nothing.
You have never kept any secrets from me. Why start now?
My son.
Don't.
Your Highness, please, allow me. Listen.
Mother.
During the time of your sickness, the village seer was called, and she said you are going to be well in no time, which later came to pass.
Is that necessary?
Father, please, let her speak.
The village seer also said that I've been marked for death.
What?
Is that not absurd, my son? How is that going to happen? It's not possible.
There's nothing the seer has ever said that didn't come to pass. Nothing. Olisa, I owe you the truth and honesty. In case something terrible happens to me.
And nothing will happen to you, mother. Nothing.
Son, I told her. But she is still worrying about nothing.
Mommy, be strong. Nothing will happen to you.
My sister, please forgive me. I am very sorry. I'm sorry for what I did to you. I don't even know what came over you.
Please. I told him what you said. That he would die. Now he has completely shut the door of his life against me. All because of you. You're happy now, right?
Very good. That's where you'll be able to get over his demise.
Ujunwa! I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Ujunwa, let me ask you. What did I ever do to you? How did I ever wrong you in this life to make you want to see me cry and be in pain?
I'm sorry.
Are you tormenting me like this? Why are you torturing me? Why? You love seeing me like this, right?
I'm sorry.
I tell you something. For every tear that drop from my eyes because of your sake, you will suffer the damn consequences, I promise you. No, Mama, let her begin to pray to her God. Pray to whatever chi, that demonic chi that always give you evil messages about people. Begin to beg that chi to help you out. Else, if he ever cancels my marriage plan with him, hey, what I will do to you? Mama, about what talkative matter. Action must surely speak louder than voice. Action must surely speak louder than voice.
I'm sorry.
But I will not hear sorry. I will not hear sorry. Mama, about what talkative matter. You will see that action speaks louder than voice. Just tell her. Be praying to your God. Be praying to your God. It's relevant.
What did she say? I demand to know the truth. Tell me. Spill. What did she say?
This is not important. Please.
Ify, I want to hear it. What did she say? Speak!
It has to from that first day she saw you. She said that.
What did she say?
That you will die soon.
She is gifted. Oborakekwe yabuzukwanike. Whatever she sees happens. Ofukwe ome bacharanya. Gifted mind, her words ignite, her words saves.
I've been looking for you.
What is it?
You need to see the smile on her face when I told her that I've done what she said I should do, but when I asked her what she promised in return, she ignored me and walked away.
Why are you so stupid? Why do you behave like a daft? Seriously. Why do you want to kill yourself by yourself?
I don't understand.
You don't understand. If anything happens to you, then you brought it upon yourself. Don't you value your life?
I don't understand.
Run away from this village if you love and value your life. Run! Now!
What is wrong with her, Bikun? Eh? Hey, what is wrong with this girl in this village? Eh? I take it that madness has gotten into her. I should run. But who is fit to make me run from this village? Eh? It's not possible. Moi. Ban.
Some say she's evil. Others say she's a gift. But what do you think? Some see her as good. Others see her as wicked. Ooh. She's who she was made to be.
Hey, have you heard?
That what?
That this wicked witchy Ujunwa is dead.
What are you talking about?
You don't know what I'm talking about. It's Ujunwa, your friend, that I'm talking about. That stupid witchy, she is no more. She has seen it. This is just the beginning. It's remaining on you. You, Nge.
Is this how devilish you've become? What has she done to you that made you wish her death? Thank God you're not God. She is alive.
Oh, best of the same feathers. You guys flock together. It's remaining you. You will be the one to die next. Because she's the witchy that flies in the afternoon, and you fly at night. That is why you're very, very dark. Yes, can't you see? But this is just the beginning. When was the last time that you saw her? I ask you.
I should be asking you the same question. Because I'm actually on my way to her house.
My sister, you will be shocked. You will be shocked on what you're going to see and hear. Because that's wicked Ujunwa, that demon, she is no more.
Wait, what were you trying to say before? What were you trying to say?
No.
Nonsense.
Annie,
my dear.
Why is that one running as if she saw a ghost?
Maybe she saw one.
Eh?
Let me see.
My dear. What's pursuing her?
Let's forget about her.
Anyways, I'm going to Bera's place. I want to apologize to him.
And I'm on my way to your house.
Yeah, let's go together now.
Others see her as wicked. Ooh. She's who she was made to be.
Fool! Nobody born of a woman can take my Uju away from me.
Welcome, my prince.
Greetings.
Greetings, my prince. I'm so happy that you're okay now. We were so worried. We had you in all our prayers. Thank the gods that you're okay now. Welcome.
I'm all right now, thanks.
Welcome.
I'm here to see your daughter.
If I am my daughter?
I'm talking about the Seer. Is she the one?
No. Ujuma, my second daughter, is a Seer, but she's not at home now.
I would like to have a talk with her.
When she comes back, I will tell her to come and meet you in the palace then.
Please do. It's extremely essential.
I will. I sure will, my prince. Thank you. Welcome. Thank you, my prince.
Some say she's evil, others say she's a gift.
What is good about the afternoon? Wait there. I was actually on my way to your house to look for you. Thank God your sister is here with me. Come, honey, come. I want you to say it right here in front of your sister. Tell me exactly what you saw about me. In front of your sister.
Hey, first of all, I want to apologize for what happened the other day. It's not in my character to do such. Seriously.
Can you please tell me the exact thing you saw in your dream or your vision about me? What did you see?
I did not really see it well. I didn't place it well.
Uju!
Baby, calm down, baby.
Would you call this pretense, okay? Tell me the exact thing you saw in your vision about me. Tell me!
Hey, I did not see it well, seriously. I swear I did not see you in my vision.
Uju, can you stop lying? Who is this one? Uju, stop lying and just tell him exactly what he needs to know.
That's what I'm telling him. I did not see you. I did not.
Uju, are you trying to say you did not see me dead in your dream or vision?
No, I did not. I was just jealous. I wanted to snatch you from my sister. That's all.
Baby, see what I told you. It's okay, Ujuma, you can be going wherever you're going to with your friend. Baby, I told you. Humans.
No matter how you hate, do not hate an innocent. No matter how you feel, do not hurt.
Ezemo, I called you here to reassure me of the fate of my wife.
Concerning what, my king?
Concerning what was foretold about her by the seer.
My king, I find it insulting and surprising that you are still believing and giving thoughts to what that intrepid of a girl said to you. She knows nothing, my king.
Yet, all she has foretold has come to pass.
By chance and coincidence, I will never be a part or support that girl. She's parading herself in this kingdom, destroying and separating families. My king, please put her on a leash so that we can end her nonsensical movement in this village.
Ezemo, are you assuring us that nothing will happen to my mother here?
Prince of our land, your mother's life is 100% guaranteed. Gods of our land revealed that to me. Yes.
So, I do have nothing to worry about.
My prince, be happy, don't worry.
You heard him. That is the Ezemo.
I want to believe that you have made peace with Obiora.
Well, I would say yes. She told him that everything she saw were lies.
Oh, thank God.
But you know they are not lies. You know I was saying nothing but the truth. Just for peace to reign.
Juma, you have started again. No, you be the gozo.
Ify.
No, you have started again. Mama, you can see this girl is not remorse for anything.
Ify is okay. Ujuma, can you stop? Can you stop saying nonsense?
Hey!
What is wrong with you?
Okay.
Whatever it is that you saw about this young man, let it go. After all, several days have passed and nothing has happened to this boy. Stop interfering in your sister's relationship.
Get your own now. Get your own. Fubali also, get your own and start saying this.
Did you hear me, Juma?
I've heard you, Mama. I'm sorry.
Sorry for yourself.
The prince was here earlier on today. Say you should come and meet him in the palace.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay.
I am more than disappointed in you. Ha!
What have I done? I don't understand.
The way you lied to Obiora was so convincing and sincere from the heart. That is wicked. I never knew I had a friend that could lie that well.
So what are you expecting me to do? To tell him nothing but the truth? Is that it? Were you expecting me to tell him the truth?
I am not saying you shouldn't. Okay? What I am saying is the lie was so perfect. And that makes me start getting worried about all you've been telling me.
In other words, you're trying to say that I've not been honest in this friendship.
What I am trying to say is I never knew I had a friend that could lie so well. Come on! You started making me suspect everything you said to me. How am I supposed to trust you?
You know, you've never believed in me. You've never valued our friendship. There is nothing that I will do that you will not find fault in. Just let me be.
Some say she's evil.
Look one, I greet you.
My name is not Lukunwai, my name is Ujunwa. Any problem?
Great one, who got you angry this
My
afternoon?
name is not Great One, my name is Ujunwa. Are you deaf?
I'm sorry. I was on my way to your house.
What is it? Any problem?
Please, I'm a businessman. I based in Lagos. I returned for burial ceremony and I'll be going back tomorrow morning.
And how is that my business?
Please, I want to know the fate of my business. And I also want to know if I will return to Lagos successfully without any road accidents.
You can choose to stay in Lagos or back in the village. I don't care. Don't you understand it?
Please, help me. If it is money, I have money.
So help with you and your stupid money. Just let me be.
No matter the fury, no matter the rage, do not hate an innocent. To hate the innocent is to imprison the sage.
Thanks for accepting to see me.
Who am I to reject your son? You are an authority in this kingdom.
I know, but judging by your position and the things that you can do, I was expecting a compliment to my demand, but all the same, thanks for coming. I was told you were here while I was sick.
Yes, I was here. And I told your majesty that you will leave. Because I saw no death around you.
And that came to pass. I'm thankful to you for that.
Do not thank me yet, my prince. For where there is happiness, there is sorrow lurking within.
This is about my mother, the queen, isn't it?
I'm sorry I had to break such news to the palace, but I had no other option. I had promised myself that I would never tell anyone anything that would make them feel sad or cry.
You are saying what you saw and what you were showed. So why would anyone have a problem with that?
People in this kingdom have problem with that. They don't like hearing the truth. They tag me the prophetess of doom. They call me the messenger of doom.
Well, You don't have to worry about what people will say. I mean, they will always have something to say. They will always do. I summoned you here because there's a more assured us that nothing is going to happen to my mother, the queen. And I want to really believe that.
My prince, I don't know what you discussed with the Ezemo. And I don't care about it. As for my vision, it will surely come to pass.
Are you saying that my mom will die eventually?
She is gifted.
What did the prince call you to the palace? What did he say?
Nothing much. He was just asking about his mother. And then the Ezemo was there giving them false hope.
Hey!
Mama, I think it's better I start giving people false hope henceforth.
Mbanin, God forbid. Why?
Because telling people the truth has done me more harm than good.
That is not the reason you tell them lies. People deserve to know their destiny. It's their right. When they come, you tell them the right thing. You want to change to become a bad person now?
But you supported me in lying to Obiora.
Because I was saving your sister now.
What's the difference? Why can't I lie to every other person out there?
The difference is that this one is family lie. That one is public lie. If you lie in public, but this one is family lie. We can cover it to save your sister. You can't just turn overnight and become a liar. When they know you as a good seer, can you like cousin? I know now. It won't happen in my time. Don't say it. People have the right to know their destinies. You don't say you want to be telling people lie. How? How?
Some say she's evil, others say she's a gift. But what do you think?
Lisa, what is it? Why are you seated here all alone?
Nothing, mother.
Nothing. You said nothing and you are crying. Eh? Talk to me, I'm your mother, Lisa. What is it? What is the problem? Talk to me.
I went to see her.
Who?
This year.
Because I shouldn't have gone to see her.
I went to clarify things with her as to what she saw about you.
You shouldn't have. She will only confuse you the more. Eh?
Mother, I don't want to lose you. I don't want anything to happen to you, Mother.
You're not going to lose me. Nothing will happen to me. You're not going to lose me. My life is in the hands of the gods.
Mother.
I don't even know why she repeated what she told me to you.
Mother, she spoke with utmost certainty. But I'm not going to let anything happen to you. Never.
Something will happen to me. Okay? Put yourself together. Do I look sick? Eh? Stop this thing you are doing now. Stop it. I'm not going anywhere. Okay?
I believe you know her, right?
Who doesn't know Junwa the Seer in this village?
So can you do it?
Are you sure our people don't need her?
What do our people need an Obanje for? She's nothing but an evil child who only causes problems to anyone that comes close to her. I need you to cure her. Can you do it?
As long as there is... I can.
How much are we talking about?
But in a depend spirits now.
No matter how you hate, do not hate an innocent. No matter how you feel.
What is going on here, my queen?
I'm traveling.
I don't understand. Why the sudden decision?
Your Highness, I don't want to be here if I'm going to die. I don't want my son to witness my death here in this palace.
Death?
I don't want that.
Death? I don't understand what you're talking about. Who is dying here?
Your Highness, we don't have to lie to ourselves or pretend nothing was said about my life. I just don't want to be here when it comes to pass. That's all.
You are still listening to that seer of a girl. This is rather psychic. Why did you just allow that girl to walk into your psyche to this magnitude? Why?
Your Highness, please. I do not want to debate this with you. I know what the Ezemo said. I also know what the seer said. I do not want to be here before what the seer said happens.
And what if it doesn't happen?
Then I will come back to my kingdom, where I will be at the right-hand side of my husband, the king. But for now, I need to leave this place. Please.
Is everything okay?
Yes.
What's going on?
We need to see our seer. We need her help.
Yes, ma. We need her help. That's
Is that why you all are here?
Yes, ma.
Only?
Yes, ma.
Oh, good. Let me call Obelife now. Let me call
Thank you.
her. Ujunwa! Ujunwa!
Good afternoon, ma.
Yes, good afternoon. What can I do for you, please?
Please, our kingdom seer. We need your help with divining our future. And
Please. Please, ma. Please, help us.
Well, I'm sorry to disappoint you all. I no longer want to divine anybody's future. Please, if you don't mind, take your leave.
Why will you tell them that?
Mama, because I am tired of telling people the truth. And yet they make me an enemy.
Hey, but they're all here to see you now. They're begging.
Please, like I said, I no longer divine people's future. Please.
Please,
go. I am not ready.
Please, ma. Please, we're here. Please, ma.
What you want? I will beg her. You will next time you can't go. Hi. You're waiting for the seer.
So bro, which girl are we talking about? I hope Elizabeth go like this. And I hope the pay is reasonable.
You know I don't bring rubbish jobs now normally. You're talking about 200k, 200 pa, no middleman, just you and I.
All because both okay.
And now
I can even kill the Igwe for such an amount of money.
I trust you. See, the only reason I brought this job to you is because I know you're the only one that can give a professional job, clean one. I don't want rubbish, so you know my way.
You don't need to bother yourself. I've been killing before, Nene. My eyes are yearning to see blood. So tell me, which girl are we talking about here?
I trust you. The village seer.
What did you just say?
Would you the village seer now? I know it will be a bit confusing for you as to who would want her dead. But don't worry.
Body know the pain spirit. The money is catchy. 200 per now. So 4 years one time.
Who contracted you for this job?
I don't understand.
Who wants her dead?
Hey! There's some more. At this point you came to my house with all the party.
Your daughter. Your daughter dared the gods of our ancestors. Yes, and you are asking the gods of our ancestors for a wrestling bout.
There's more now. There's more. This thing you said that is not working now. My daughter cannot hurt a fly.
I don't even know what he's talking about.
Are you even sure you're talking about my daughter or you're mistaking her for another person?
Nobody will and will never rob me of my senses. She knows exactly what I'm talking about.
Well, I don't.
How dare you?
Every time you'll be doing this thing, I don't like this one. What is it that you have against my daughter? As long as I'm alive, I will not stand and watch you threaten my daughter. What did she do against you that you always look for a way to threaten her?
Your daughter, the gods of our ancestors. Yes, recently she had a false proclamation on the queen. Yes. She has been going around with false prophecies on our people, deceiving them. Tell her to deceive from them.
False prophecies?
Yes. Tell her to go to the palace and tell them that everything she said is nothing but lie.
Well, I'm sorry to burst your bubbles. In as much as I would have loved to tell the queen what you just said, the truth still remains that what I saw will surely come to pass.
Wham!
Any more word you utter, I will strike you today.
Yes! No.
Yes!
Mamma. Yes. You can't
Mama.
strike my daughter. No. They can strike her dead.
Tell her to go back to the palace and tell them that everything she said is nothing but lies. If you don't stop, you will face my wrath.
She won't face anything. What are you even saying?
Mama, you see why I don't want to be doing this job again? I don't want to be seeing anything, whether it's good or bad. I don't want to see again.
But I'm fighting for you.
Mama, I don't want to see. I don't want to be a seer.
I am also fighting with you. Wait, let's talk about
Some say she's evil, others say she's a gift. But what do you think? Some see her as good, others see her as weak.
So, in your mind, you feel you've escaped my wrath. Okwaya? Witchy! That is what you think.
What is your problem? No, seriously, what is your problem? What have I done to you? My only crime is that I told you what I saw about your brother. That's all. Why are you following me about?
Oh, really? You saw something about my brother and you can't even offer a solution to it. I can see you're very, very happy. You're very, very happy to see me and my family lose my only brother.
Why would you think that I'm happy seeing you cry?
That is all you do.
But I'm not happy.
Bet me if you're going to live beyond today. You demon.
There's anyone that would not live beyond today, it is you.
It is you.
You know why? I see death hovering around you.
Back to send that.
If I were you, I would go back home and look for a way to avert what is coming to me.
Back to send that to you. Or one day, witchy. You see you will be the one to die. Did you hear me? It's you that will die, stupid thing. Look at her. Or one day.
I will show you. Ha! You don't even know what is coming for you. Eh? Idiot. Nonsense. By the time I'm done with you, you will see. Look at her. Witchy, white witch. Woo! Okay, who are you? What is it? Leave me! Leave me! Leave me! Ah! Ah! Ah!
Baby. How are you?
Hey, what was with the medical result?
Babe, I had to rush to the hospital to check on my health status quo. You know how it is. I needed to be sure that your man is healthy and fit.
A medical test?
Yes. Oh, you thought I wasn't scared over what your sister told you as regard to my health? That I would die. I'm not dying any sooner, sweetheart. I'm not dying, okay?
Yes.
It has been confirmed that your baby is healthy and fit. Yes.
It's actually okay that you did the test, right?
Yeah.
At least to ascertain your health, that you are okay. But please, don't take to heart what that mad girl said. She's my sister. I know how she talks. Please, don't take it seriously. It's not that deep. Don't let it bother you, please.
Babe, I understand, okay? But the good news is, I've gone to the hospital and I have been certified that I'm okay. I'm not dying today, not tomorrow.
You are not even dying.
I'll live forever for you.
Yes, you live forever for me. I just don't want you to think about it, please.
I won't. You know what, sweetheart? I learned something new. Let me show it to you in the bedroom. Okay. You just drop the medical, it's not important. Okay. Let's hit it. Come on, let's go. Let me show you something. Let's go.
She is gifted. Whatever she sees happens. Gifted mind, her words ignite, her words saves. Jealousy cannot stop it, envy cannot stop it. Eluke funanya, eluke funanya.
Mother, is that the right decision for you?
Well, I've made up my mind.
Yeah, but what are you talking about? SMO has already said that.
I know what he said. And I'm still confident that nothing will happen to me. But I need to leave town for a while, just in case.
Mother, if that's your decision, then I will support that.
Why support such son? Why do you want to support your mother on this? Where do you think you are going to? Where are you going to?
Well, Your Majesty, I will stay at my parents' house at Unimoji village. I'll be there till all this is over and I feel safe again. I just want you to permit me to do this, please. Permit me to do this. Nico.
You have my permission in that case. And you have my blessing too.
Thank you, Highness. Thank you.
But please,
Do me one favor.
What?
Do not stay long in returning.
I won't, Your Highness.
In that case, mother, I and the guards will see you off to the outskirts of the village.
That won't be necessary. You don't have to stress yourself.
No, mother, I insist. I'm going with you.
All right, if you say so. But I want you to take care of yourself, okay?
I will, Mom. Now, let's go.
Guards!
You know they fear, so you have the guts. Eh? You have the guts.
What have I done to you? What did I do to you? What have I done to you? You should leave me, let me go. What is all this now?
Okay, you don't know what you have done to me, so you want to kill my girlfriend.
Your girlfriend? Do I know your girlfriend? I'm your girlfriend. Why are you telling me that I want to kill your girlfriend? I'm innocent, just leave me alone.
I know you're confused as to what is going on here. You contracted me to kill the Seer girl. Akwaya? Eh? And then I was so booked. So I called him to help me do the job. Then he confirmed that the Seer girl is actually his girlfriend that you wanted to kill. You wanted me to kill. So what is happening here is actually a man helping his fellow man. Because last, not a man do man. Akwaya?
Unto Gini now. Unto Gini say you won't fall my girl for this village. Eh? Or you don't know she's my girlfriend?
I didn't know she's your girlfriend.
Oh.
I'm around that way.
Okay, you don't know she's my girlfriend. And that's the biggest mistake you've ever done. Nobody in this town will think evil about my girl and lives to tell the tale. Eh? When they go this getting one, I never knew also. Come on. Today, I will bury you alive. Let me go.
Hey! God of our land! I think you should report him to the Igwe.
Me? Report Ezemo to the Igwe. I don't want to report Ezemo. I don't want to report to the Igwe. I don't want to report to anybody. You understand?
Nah, Maka. He threatened your daughter. What right does the Ezemo have to threaten her? What have she done to him? Or is it a crime for her to say what she was shown in the vision? Is it?
Hey, I won't know what she has shown. What has she done to deserve all this enmity everywhere? Okay, her gift to mankind. How has it helped her? Do you know the trouble my daughter is going through? She's going through a lot. Just because she's trying to tell people what she's seeing, so it's causing a lot of problems. Let her keep it for herself. Let her chief fight now.
So she shouldn't use her power anymore, given to her by her she to help mankind. Is that what you mean?
Let her chief come out if I use the way. She will tell them something, they turn it against her. Tell her this one, they turn against her. I'm not reporting anybody.
I'm not in support of this.
I don't be. It's not your daughter, that's why you're not seeing it. My daughter is going through a lot. A lot! It seems that's a report as a more. No.
Okay, if you say so.
Let the chief come and defend himself.
Let it be the way you want.
Uju, I am sorry about the other time.
I should be the one telling you sorry for the way I reacted. I was actually very angry and frustrated.
I understand. But is it the anger that made you to stop using your power to help people? I heard that from the villagers.
Well, you heard right. I'm done with those powers.
You're done? Come on, it's not something you just wake up one morning and say you're done.
Well, I am done, and that's it.
No, that's anger and frustration at work. You know what? I'll give you some time to get over it. But just know that's not the best decision. And they may have consequences.
Help with the consequences. I'm done.
My king, I heard she's no longer using her powers. She's also no longer telling people about any of her prophecies.
But do you think she can live now with that?
Why not? She has been deceiving our people with her fake prophecies. So it will be the best if she puts such nonsense to a stop.
I hope so. I hope so, but on the contrary, I am having the feeling that my people will revolt.
My king, why would they revolt? Don't we have Ezemo by our means anymore who can also tell us exactly what she has been telling us? She can go to hell. She should stop deceiving our people. She's very smart to crumble our people to their feet. It's not possible she can't.
That. Oh no.
My king.
What about your daughters? Have you reconciled with them?
My king, I'm doing my best.
She is gifted. Whatever she sees happens. Gifted mind, her words ignite, her words saves. Jealousy cannot stop it.
Break? Jesus. Hey! No!
Father, I just saw her off to the outskirts of our village. She should be heading to Umoji by now, so expect her call.
Are you aware that I'm not happy that she left?
I know, Father, and thank you for granting her request.
I did what I did because of you, because I know she's going back to meet with her people. Definitely, they will ask her to come back to the palace. Yes? Yes. This is King Obumneme of Umuaku village. Huh? Accident. Where? How? When? Now?
Greetings, my king.
Ezemo, you told us, you assured us that nothing is going to happen to her. I should have known not to believe the words that came out of your rotten mouth. I lost her. I lost my mother to the cold hands of death.
I'm sorry, my king and my prince. In fact, I am speechless.
You better remain speechless because I do not want you to say anything. Just go your way. Get out of here this moment.
Get out and leave! He said you should leave. Leave!
I am sorry. As if it will bring my wife back.
tell me it's not true.
It's true.
Hey! Oh! Hey! Alumekwa. Hey, Alumekwa. Oh! Hey!
Mama, what is he talking? Mama, careful.
Hey!
What is it?
The queen is dead. The queen is dead. Ah! Hey! Wait. How did it happen? How?
My dear. She had an accident on her way to the city, just to avert the prophecy that was given concerning her.
Prophecy, Ujunwa prophecy. Prophecy, oh, Ujunwa, hey! Prophecy, hey! Prophecy, oh!
What is it?
You know what I want. Amara, she's no longer talking to me. You have to help me.
I've told you times without number. There is nothing I can do. She's the one to make the choice and not me.
I know. But you have to make her see reasons to accept me. I love her so much.
I know you love her, but she's not interested.
You are her only trusted friend. And I know you can convince her to see reasons with me. You need to help me.
There's nothing I can do.
Listen, you have to help me.
What do you mean by that?
All I'm saying is this. Help me get her, or you get hurt.
Ebuka.
Yes. The choice is yours to make. Help me get her, or you get hurt. Akwasakwange.
Babe, did you just say the queen is dead?
Yes.
Wait. You also told me the last time your sister visited the palace, she was with the queen, right? Wait, did she also see the death of the queen before her demise?
Sweetheart, doesn't matter. Listen to me, I don't care about my sister or whatever she said or anything about her. I don't care. I don't want to know.
Babe, answer the damn question.
It doesn't matter. Babe, listen to me. What matters is that you will live for me. Babe. Okay? And you will live forever. Nothing will happen to you. That is the most important thing. Whatever she said doesn't matter to me.
Babe, you lied to me. And she lied to me too. Babe, did you put her to this?
No.
Did you ask her to...
Babe, can you calm down, please? Please, let me explain.
Don't tell me to calm down! Don't! We'll revisit this issue when I'm back.
Babe, please come back. Please.
Some say she's evil, others say she's a gift. But what do you think?
Ebuka, you're looking for my talk. You're looking for my talk. Stop following me now. What is your problem?
If I don't follow you, who will I follow now? Because you know.
I'm going to report you to the Igwe. Because I am sick and tired of this nonsense.
Can report to the police or the governor. I don't care.
You don't care. You don't care.
Is it bad for a young man like me to express my love to you?
Which love? You love. The only thing I see hovering around you is darkness. How can you love when your heart is not even pure?
Malisha, listen. I can change. I can change for you. I believe you can make me a better man.
Well, only you can make yourself a better man. And until I see that change in you, that love will never come.
Malisha, go.
Go.
I go nowhere. So, listen to me. Listen. Baby, you can make me change.
You're hurting me.
Shut up! Tell me what you saw about me! Tell me what you saw about me! I know you lied to me the other time! I demand to know the truth!
Tell me exactly what you saw about me.
I don't know. I didn't see anything. My leg.
I know you saw something about me. I saw you see, and you refused to tell me. I demand to know what it is. I'll fight you to death. I'll kill you.
I saw you dead. And there's nothing I can do to avert it.
So why did you lie about this to me? Why did you do this to me?
I'm sorry.
Take it out.
Some say she's evil, others say she's a gift. But what do you think? Some see her as good.
Organica, what is your face like this? What is it? What happened? What is that? You don't talk to me now. What happened? Oh, Guinea. Would you talk now?
Obiora is dead.
Obiora
is dead.
Hey! Uju! Hey, Chiwo! Hey! 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 Oh! Hey! Obiora is dead. Oh, Chibala Potamo. Hey!
Obiora! Hey! Ewo! No! Hey! Obiora! Wait! Obiora! Hey! Somebody help me! Hey! Somebody! Obiora! Jesus! Obiora!
Obiora, no. What happened to him?
Obiora! Obiora! Jesus! Ewo! No! Ewo! Please help me! Obiora, wake up now! Wake up! Obiora! Jesus!
Just like that.
What are you going to do? Obiora, please!
Hey!
Obiora, I'm here! Obiora! Hey! Please help me! Please take it! Wait! What are you doing?
Hey, if you touch me,
What are you doing?
what does it look like I'm doing? Burning them to ashes. Are these not my clothes? The clothes that I dashed you, right? No, Ichefugo. Do you have memory loss? The clothes that I dashed you. And right now, I want you to go inside. Pack everything you know that I've given to you that are currently in your possession. Bring them out now. I would rather watch them burn to ashes than have you wear them. You a human being. You are evil, this girl. Stop it now.
Stop, please. I'm sorry. If you burn all these clothes now, which clothes will I now be wearing?
I want you to go naked. I want you to go naked. You have to dance naked in the market square so people will see your nakedness. I know that you are evil. You are wicked. You are wicked.
I'm sorry.
Sorry, kill you there.
I didn't kill him.
You didn't kill him.
I
didn't kill him. Do you know that I would have rather preferred you are the one that died than my Obiora? You are not supposed to, for any reason whatsoever, to be living, sharing this same living world with the living. You are not supposed to be here. You're supposed to be dead and gone. You are evil. You are evil.
So
evil.
I'm sorry. I did not kill him. You know that is inevitable.